Shenik Containers is a family-owned and operated company. We've been around since 1972. At Shenik, we pride ourselves on delivering innovative, sustainable packaging solutions to our customers. We want to be perceived as the leader and the go-to when our customers have problems or new package solutions they want to deliver in the marketplace. In order to do this, we rely heavily on member engagement, our strong culture, and state-of-the-art technologies to help deliver these solutions.
So at Sure Controls, we are a central Wisconsin located value-added distributor and system integrator. Our One Sure team provides design foresight, unequaled responsiveness, and innovative automation products and solutions that allow our customers to achieve world-class manufacturing. So we analyzed a number of different products in the market and the technical specifications of the robots, the portfolio of products, not only within the collaborative robotic line, but the product portfolio that OMRON offers in the full robotic line, as well as safety and other integrated solutions.
So we've been working with Sure Controls for quite a while on other integration of automation for us. And they became a rep of the OMRON TM collaborative robot. And we did a little extra research on our end and found that there was a lot of benefits to this robot. Benefits such as higher payload, longer reach, camera, integrated system, and just the ease of use and programming lended itself very well to what we were trying to really do. We've been looking for a collaborative robot solution for quite some time, mainly due to the labor shortage that most manufacturers are seeing today. The collaborative robot allowed us to deliver a more flexible solution, and it's a lot more redeployable. The application that we really went for here was on our offline label application, to where we could get better consistency, more reliability, and really set the pace to produce to our schedule. We didn't have to worry about having to shut the line down due to labor inconsistencies. So it's been a great opportunity for us and worked very well so far.
We went forward with using the OMRON TM robot for some of the technical advantages. We also felt that higher payload and reach was a need that the market was looking for and asking. And really the technical team felt the programming capabilities within the product were an important piece.
So we partnered with Sure Controls on the deployment of this, and they were a great partner for a variety of reasons. Project management was one, their technical expertise, they provided a lot of extra training for us. They really helped sell us on the technology, how it could benefit us, and felt that OMRON was a good solution for this application for us. OMRON, on the other hand, stepped in as well and really helped us with risk assessments, with extra training, and really helping us develop a success story so that we can deploy more of these in the future or other technologies.
So with the definition of success being a smile delivered to the customer, we want to make sure that we're taking a consultative approach, which the team at OMRON was instrumental in educating the team at Sure Controls, which we were then able to educate the management team at Shenik all the way down to the operators on how collaborative robots could be a new technology deployed within their facility, allowing them to achieve a return on their investment in a timely fashion, and ultimately investing in how they can better service their customers through the deployment of automation.
It's been a great experience working with Sure Controls throughout the years and getting to know the members at OMRON and understand their technology. They've got a wide portfolio, and collectively we've been able to deliver a solution with their innovative technology to better service our customers. I look forward to working with Sure Controls and OMRON on various applications in the future. I think it'll be a great partnership, and I'm really looking forward to it.